I want to show you now how to retrieve the Facebook email from different environments in Facebook. Let's start with a fan page. Okay, I'm gonna click here, fan page, and I'm gonna check for here, for example. I'm looking for Justin Bieber. I'm gonna check Justin Bieber. Okay, I'm gonna check this. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna type this. Click on extract. Okay, I switched account. For this reason, I need to go back here, fan page email extractor. I'm gonna type here this one. I'm gonna type this here, extract. Okay, I'm gonna check the ID first of all. This. Okay, that's good. Then I'm going to this one. I'm gonna type here this one. Okay, I'm gonna extract. Now I need some time. Okay, now you can see here where I'm downloading. Now I'm retrieving one post on Justin Bieber page, and I'm starting to retrieve names of people with their email address, as you can see here. Okay, and once you have this, you can download this list in CSV format, and you get name and email address. Isn't that amazing? Okay, I'm gonna stop this now because I already have a lot of them. Okay, so this was to extract from a fan page.